My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Jordan 3 UNC's dropped today and I literally just started running for restocks 15 minutes ago and I just hit 2 of them. Got one. Yup, there goes my cancel. If I didn't get so unlucky, I probably would have had 6 confirmed pairs. Unfortunately, I had to sell this for a little bit less than the market price. Oh my gosh, the pictures don't do this justice. This looks really boring in the pictures, but they look nice in hand. Tomorrow is the online drop for Supreme North Face, so we'll just have to see if we get anything on the next episode. Declined on 1, declined on 2, declined on 3. Out of stock. What? I have never seen so many payment declines in my life. Oh, got one. Yep, I got one. That Supreme North Face drop went quite well. The fleece jackets sold out like instantly. On the other hand, Cyber absolutely flopped. I don't think they had any checkouts for the initial drop, and we found out why. Lucas made a tweet saying that when he was making the final update for Supreme, what happened was his internet went down 5 minutes before the drop. So if that didn't happen, Cyber probably would have cooked out because they are so consistent when it comes to being able to cop, especially from Supreme. So that was very tragic. However, all is not lost. I was able to get one with MEKPREME, which worked very, very well. And I do think it has something to do with the setup that Chingin had used. He told me his setup and it looked like it worked. So thank you for that. Anyways, we do have 3 boxes to open, so let's get to it. Jordan 3 UNCs in the size 8. Bro, these shoes are actually really beautiful, and thinking back on it, it was so stupid of me not to go hard on this drop, because just look at this. This is so freaking nice. And as a matter of fact, I was thinking about keeping this as a personal just because I love Jordan 3s, and I don't know, I still can't believe I passed up on the initial drop for these because it was such an easy shoe to get, being that most people weren't going for it, and it's profitable and it looks good. So yeah, I'm a dummy for that. But I did manage to get 2. I'm not sure if the other one got shipped out yet or not, but I am happy that the one that did come in is my size. So if I decide to change my mind at any point in time, I can just throw these on my feet. Here we have 2 Sakai's. White is a size 10 and the one in black is a size 7. It almost has a hint of blue to it that is not visible on the camera, but in hand there is a very, very light hint of blue. I definitely think these white ones are way better than the black ones. There are so many drops that are dropping today. The Jordan 1s in particular, I want to keep those as a personal, and I also want to get one pair for Joy. But anyways, I am gonna go super hard for the Dunks and the Jordan 1s. For the Yeezys, I'm probably gonna get a few towards 7 a.m, 8 a.m, and 10 a.m. There is going to be so much overlap between all of these drops, and it's gonna be tough, but we'll see how I end up doing. Kai Waffles restock? What you get? Alright, I got one with what bot? Get to drop? I'm stuck on waiting up for stock. Oh, now they drop. Fuck, confused. Oh. Oh, go faster. Yo. Yes! Fuck! Sorry, I freaked out. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I got a dunk. Oh my fault. I keep forgetting. My girl hit on the Jordan 1s. She got my size, so that's for me. Thanks, babe. Size 9? Bruh, that's not my size. She fucked up. It's a US website. That wouldn't make sense. Yeah, 100% sure they dropped the dunks. Oh yeah, I'm getting error getting shipping rates. What is that about?
In my way, I say I'm so fine. In my mind, I'm never alright. And I don't wanna lie, no I don't wanna die. In my mind, I feel dead inside. Baby,
bro, every task that I got through on, it was like I'm getting a shipping error. I'm gonna hit for sure. If I don't hit, that was okay. No. What is this? What is exclamation point? I think those releases went quite well. As you saw, I wasn't too focused on the Yeezys that much because I didn't want a lot of them to begin with. I feel like I got as many pairs as I wanted. I really wanted the Racer Blues and the Dunks way more than the Yeezys because there is an upcoming Yeezy release very soon which I will go absolutely beast mode on. But nevertheless, I was able to get my personal, well, Joy was able to get it. She took 2 W's on the sneaker app. I feel like I could have done a little bit better. However, I am content with what happened. It looks like Nike bots worked for the Racer Blues. This meant BNB, TSB, and Ghost. It did seem like the filtering was turned off for that shoe, which meant bots were able to get through without a problem. Anyways, a couple of boxes did come in, so let's open them up. Here we have Jordan 3 UNCs in the size 11, you already know what that looks like, and we have a Desert Sage in size 7. I was told that these look amazing in person. They were not lying about that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Surprised they're not going for more, but that seems to be the case with every Yeezy nowadays. But anyway, speaking of Yeezys, next week we have the Yeezy 350 Cinders, and we'll see how I end up doing on the next episode.